Welcome to Plixer. In today's video, we will be walking through the user interface, showing you how to navigate and kick off workflows from different areas of the tool. One thing to note, if you are using our latest version, your view will include a slim navigation on the side, or you might see your menu bar across the top. All of the different sections and pages we will walk through today are included in the same manner, whether it is on the side, slim navigation, or at the top. To start off, the tool is broken into a few different sections: Monitor, Explore, Investigate, Reports, Replicator, and Admin. Each of these are grouped together specifically to make the tool easier to navigate. Under the Alarm Monitor page, you will find alerts that have been generated based on things like our flow algorithms in our machine learning behavioral alerting system and Flow Pro intrusion detection alerts as well. All of these alerts can be viewed by the policies that have been violated or by the hosts that are involved in those policies. And if your team is used to the MITRE ATT&CK framework, all of this information can be displayed across that MITRE ATT&CK. Next, underneath our Alarm Monitor page is our Dashboards page. Dashboards are user-defined pages that include information and reports in the form of gadgets that each user or team would like to see. Dashboards are fully configurable by each individual user, and they can be assigned to specific user groups or specific users. Anything on a dashboard can be turned into an alert, and any report you run can be turned into a gadget for your dashboard. All of the settings for the dashboard and across our pages will be seen in the top right corner. Moving along, you see our Network Maps section. In the Network Maps section, these are once again user-defined maps, including all of the exporters and connections that those users would like to see. Maps can be configured and manipulated in any manner that makes sense for your network, and all of the pieces of these maps are clickable and live to where they update when connections are overutilized and when reports are living behind those connections. These network maps can be manipulated and changed in the same manner as the dashboards with your settings found up at the top right. On the Explore page, you can view things like your top exporters, your top interfaces with interactive snapshots, and any entity like a username, an application, a host as a source destination, autonomous systems, IP groups, countries, and protocols will all display in a top-down manner from the most to least noisy. For example, if we were to go into our interfaces page and we see an overutilized interface with these dynamically changing percentages and snapshots, any of these pieces can be clicked on. A report menu will populate and we can run reports against that specific interface. The same can be said by exporter. One thing to note, if you're looking for a specific host or exporter or interface, at the top, right there, is a filter option to filter on those specific components of your network that you would like to see. If you filter on one of those objects, you will only see that specific device, that specific exporter or interface, and then it makes it easier to run your reports across that device. Finally, at the bottom of the Explore page, there is an option to search. This search option is located on the taskbar at the top of the Explore page on any of these exporters, entities, or search workflows, or across the entire tool at the top right. If you click on any of these tabs, it will take you to our host indexing page where you can individually search for IP addresses to see if they've ever generated traffic on your network. These IP addresses can be searched as single or multiple comma-separated IP lists, and you can also utilize our host indexing to see if any specific conversations between specific hosts have ever taken place on the network. The Explore page is a great place to kick off workflows in a free-form manner based on your top talking devices, hosts, exporters, and interfaces. Moving on to our Investigate page, you'll see things like collections and forecasts. Collections are team-generated workflows where you can create, assign, and comment on different workflows as you're working on your investigations. You can see workflows assigned to you and general workflows that you have access to. Each of these collections will be user-generated, allow for notes here for reference, and they will include any reports, alerts, or other relevant information that you would like to pass along to a teammate when resolving some sort of issue on your network. The Forecast tab includes reporting based on the subset of devices that you are monitoring with our machine learning piece. You can create forecasts into the future to see what your network might look like at a later time. Next, we have our reporting page, where you can kick off reports from scratch. With our reporting wizard, you can select your report type first, and then choose the devices that you would like to report on. Or, you can select your devices first and choose the type of report that you would like to run against that specific device. Once you have chosen the report and the devices that you would like to run your report against, you can define the time window, the display type, and any other relevant filters that you would like to start with. From there, you can run your report. Once inside of our report view, you will see the data about the network traffic that you're looking for. Anything that is green and clickable can be added as a filter by either clicking, dragging, and dropping to include as a filter or to exclude from any future reports. At any time, you can also click on one of the pieces of data in your table to filter into a new report using that as the base filter. At the top right, at any point, you can change the way that your data is visualized. You can also change the type of report that you are viewing based on the filters that have been defined currently at the top right. Any of these reports can be saved, and once a report is saved, a threshold can be added to that report to generate alerts when specific traffic exceeds or falls below a specific threshold that you have defined for this type of traffic. At the top right under the Settings section, you may also export any report to your desktop as a PDF or CSV. You can email these reports or add them to a dashboard and schedule them to be run at a later time. Adding to a dashboard will create a gadget where this report can be run on a rolling time frame as you have your dashboards open in front of you. Saved reports will live under our Saved Reports tab, and scheduled email reports will show you anything that you have ready to run on a regular basis to send you the information that you have designed inside of a report. Next is our Replicator section. If Replicator is deployed, you will be able to manage your data streams that are sending through Replicator to your various destinations. And finally, under our Admin tab on the bottom left, you will find all of the different settings to configure Scrutinizer to your needs and your liking. Under the landing page of your admin settings is a configuration checklist to show you how far along you are in configuring Scrutinizer to its full capabilities. We hope that this helps. If you have any further questions, please reach out to your dedicated field engineer or our Plixer support team.